Hey everyone, my name's Ron. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is kind of looking for a little bit of feedback, maybe a little expertise from you all actually. And that is, I bought a set of Kenda Bearclaw HTRs and I've got them wrapped around a set of ITP SD Series beadlocks, and I'll show you the tires. So here's the fronts. They're 28 by 9 by 14, and the rears are 28 by 11 by 14. So the front's mounted up just fine. I pumped them up to the max 36 PSI and let them sit. They didn't seem to leak down at all. So now I have them set at 5.5 PSI each. The rears though, the rears I've had trouble with. This one, I pump up to 36 PSI and it leaks down to 8.5 PSI. And this guy over here leaks down to 21 PSI. So I'm not super worried about this one. I don't know if I should be, and that's kind of what I'm getting at. In the opinion of the jury here, should I be concerned? Should I redo both these rims? I'm probably going to redo this one because 8 PSI is cutting it a little close, I think. I typically have run in the past my rears around like 4 PSI. But I don't know. I mean, this, like I say, this is something where I'd like to hear what PSI you all run at. If you have any experience with these things, what you think I should do. Should I run the beadlock sealant? It's definitely leaking around the bead. I can or around the ring. It's somewhere right around in here. So I think if I retorque, it's probably, I'm hoping, gonna go away. So I'm sure a part of it is that I'm putting 11-inch wide tires on 7-inch wide rims. I'm sure that's gotta stress things. I also did these carnivores on Sedona Split 6 14-inch rims. Those for the UTV, I run about 10 PSI. So I will say with my 4 PSI comment is the difference between the tires I have on this ATV now are the good old-fashioned bias ply Mudlites, and then these are obviously radial tires in these Kenda Bearclaw HTRs. So I don't know if that's a factor in tire pressure or not. So at any rate, that's what today's video is. And in the comments section, let me know what you think. So I'd really appreciate it. So, all right. Well, thank you very much. I'll talk to you all later.